Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We have witnessed today and heard people expressing or honestly giving out their questions and doubts in front of the Lord. Gideon was given the task to save the Israelites from the power of Midian. At binigay na niya ang lahat ng kanyang mga pwedeng itanong. Bakit ako? Kaya ko bang gawin iyon? How shall I know that indeed you are the God who is speaking to me? How can I be assured that I can really do such a thing? And the same goes with the words of the apostles. After we've heard how the young man yesterday cannot really give up his treasures and properties to follow the Lord, the disciples were there as well to ask and honestly say, how can we possibly follow you? What will be there for us? Ano pa ang mga matitira sa amin? Paano kami susunod sa iyo? And with all of these questions and doubts that they've honestly expressed, the answer of the Lord is but plain and simple: the gift of His peace. Gideon dedicated that place of encounter as Yahweh Shalom, the Lord of peace. And such is the assurance of the apostles. With their questions, what will be there for us? How can we possibly follow you? The Lord speaks by saying, for men this is impossible, but for God everything is possible. And isn't it, my dear brothers and sisters, that we grapple the same questions and the same disposition? Can I really possibly do my mission? Can I really do things well with my work and with my life? Kaya ko ba talagang harapin ang mga bagay na ipinagkatiwala sa akin ng mga tao na nakakataas sa akin? Can I really do such things well and good? And the Lord answers the same to all of us. With the many questions and doubts that we have, the Lord gives His peace. The same words that He left Gideon, be calm and do not fear. You will be there to make it. You will be there to make it prosper. And today we celebrate this memorial of Saint Ezekiel Moreno, a missionary here in the Philippines. And maybe he also bore the same questions and honest doubts. Ano ba ang kahahantungan ko sa Pilipinas? Why chose me as a missionary to go over and preach the gospel at that place? But the peace of the Lord calmed his heart. God's mercy blessed him with courage. And he has produced bountiful and graceful fruits in our island. Because God is His peace. God blessed him with His presence. With these many doubts and honest questions we have, we take hold and go home bringing the peace of the Lord. The Lord trusting us, the Lord encouraging us, and the Lord blessing us with strength to move forward and do His mission in this world, to be fruitful and to give our all for the glory of His name.